Hello beautiful, welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit from Hairvivi. I cannot wait to share with y'all this unit. It is so bomb. Now I am just showing y'all what y'all should receive when y'all purchase this wig. Now, I went ahead and got my hands on the Scarlet Natural Human Hair Wig. Now, this unit is bleached and the knots are plugged, and I'm just showing you guys inside of the unit as well. You're gonna get an elastic band that's adjustable as well. Now, I want to talk to y'all a little bit more about Hairvivi in case you're new to the Hairvivi world. Now, Hairvivi do sell units that's already customized and pretty much done. So your job is when you receive this unit, you should be able to just throw it on and not have to do any customization because Hairvivi does all that for you. Now, y'all know I've been doing hair videos for so long for you guys, so y'all can know what hair companies I would recommend, and this one is one of them, only because they do all the customization for you, especially if you're new into the wig world and you just don't know where to start. As long as you have somebody available to, you know, glue the unit down on you, then Hairvivi would be the best pick to go. Now, I do love the fact that the knots are not over bleached. I love how the parting space looks so natural. It pretty much looks like my scalp. Now, as always, Hairvivi units are 100% human hair, and I do love how clean the knots are bleached. And I wanted to touch this unit because I was like, this unit is so full. Scarlet, she is full and she has a lot of volume, honey, a lot of volume. Obviously, you guys can see it for yourself, but the unit is pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached, and the units, all their units are pre-made with fake scalp, and obviously it has an elastic band, and it is an invisible HD lace as well. It is definitely invisible. Y'all see it already. It's melting down into my skin like butter, and I love that. Especially with Hairvivi prices, I think it's definitely worth it, only because they do everything for you. All you have to do is just place the wig on your head, glue it down, and you're good to go. And even if you don't want to glue it down, it's glueless. But girl, I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. Obviously, I had to grab my Lace Academy melting spray. I've already mentioned this, but I'll keep mentioning in almost all of my hair videos. Girl, that melting hairspray is a solid 10 out of 10. It is so, so good. So, so good. I just love the fact that it melts my units down, so it just looks so much more natural and not wiggish. And I just don't like when units look too wiggish. I can't deal with it, y'all. But after spraying it down, I obviously grabbed my blow dry and just using this for it to melt even more. And then I'm also going to cut that lace off. I normally don't do this method. I usually cut the lace off and then I melt my units down. But with this unit, girl, I wanted to try something different, and I'm happy that I did because I didn't have to go back in and do a lot of work. I just, you know, grabbed just a little bit of that melting spray and applied it on my finger and just placed it on the lace. But girl, watch how beautiful this melting situation looks. Like, what? Like, look at the side. Hold on, wait a minute. And don't mind those little baby scissors. Those are not even meant to cut no lace. They're meant for nails. But I've had it for so long, I didn't feel like getting rid of it or even, you know, purchasing a new scissors. But do y'all see that? So I'm just going to grab this headband and just lay it down even more. And this headband is also from the same company that I purchased the melting spray. And we're going to get to curling, girl. This is my favorite part. I was debating whether to leave it like this, just the way it came out of the box, but I had to add a little bit of extraness, girl. So I used my, I was about to say curling iron. I used my straightener because my curling iron broke and I haven't purchased a new one, you know, Esther, and not purchasing stuff. I'd be waiting. I'd be just hanging on to stuff for no reason. So I decided to use my straightener as a curling iron, and y'all gonna see exactly how bomb this unit takes heat. Boom, just like that. Just period. Girl, all the details to this unit will be in the description box. I rate this unit a solid 10 out of 10 as well. Such a beautiful unit, super soft, gets the job done, and holds the curls as well. So y'all gonna see this at the end of the video. But the thing is, I lost the footage of the end of the video, so I had to come back to you guys with straight hair. because I rocked the unit for a few days. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I still wanted to keep this clip of me curling it so y'all could see how beautiful the curls turned out. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so, so much. Naupenda sana, and all the details will be in the description box. Bye, beautiful.